Hi everyone. I just wanted to say congratulations on completing week 1 of CIS 118. You guys did an amazing job this week, and I just want to say I'm impressed with your quality of work, and your discussions this week were awesome. I'm really happy to see that there are so many people going to school and are able to continue working their jobs and taking care of their families while they're doing it. Just know that I'm here for you and I will help you through any issues that come up. So if you run into any troubles, just give me a call or just send me an email and we'll work stuff out. I thought that each week I would post a little tips or tricks as we're going through, just stuff that I think might be helpful for you as you're working through these courses online. There's some little hidden stuff that goes on with Windows and Microsoft, and as I think of them and think of things that'll be helpful for you, I'm going to go ahead and post those in a little weekly update. So this week I want to actually do a couple things. I want to show you one of the questions in the worksheet was talking about minimizing a screen. So I want to show you what some of the different options are for minimizing your screen. And also I want to show you how you can pull a couple documents up on a screen at the same time. And then the third thing is toggle through the pages that are open on your computer. So I'm just going to switch over to screen capture so you can kind of get an idea of some of these tips that I'm talking about. Okay, on minimizing your screen, I just want to bring to your attention that up in the right hand corner there are a few icons up here, and this little dash line here is minimize. And what that does is it folds this whole page down and it hides it. It doesn't close it, it just hides it. So on the worksheet, one of the questions was how do you minimize and what's the keyboard shortcut? The keyboard shortcut for that is M. You hold down your, is Windows key M. So you hold down your Windows key and you hit the M key on your keyboard, and that minimizes your screen. That does the very same thing that this little icon does. Now some of you answered, you hold down the Windows key and you press the down arrow, and when you do that, that doesn't actually minimize your screen, it restores it down. So it makes it smaller, but it doesn't hide it. And that's called restore down. And that is that second button next to your minimize screen. Now once you restore down, this button turns into maximize, so I can click this to open this window back up again. So just remember, minimize is folding down the entire window and hiding it. The restore down just shrinks the page. Something else I want to show you while we're talking about moving around windows and shrinking them. If I grab my document up here in this banner up here, I'm going to hold down my left mouse key and I'm just going to click this and drag it. And if I drag it to the left and then let it go, I can open this up in half screen. And then that allows me to open up another document right next to it. So if I wanted to, this comes in really helpful a lot of times when you're comparing documents, or you might be working on a Microsoft Word document over here and comparing data that's possibly in an Excel spreadsheet or something. You can have two documents sitting next to each other and working on them side by side. So I always think that's kind of a cool thing, and I wanted to share that with you. The other thing is, a lot of times you have quite a few documents open on your computer, and an easy way to figure out what document is where and what you want to open is if you hold down your Alt key and Tab key at the same time. It brings up all of the documents that are open on your computer. So holding onto the Alt key after you open this up and hitting the Tab key, it allows you to toggle through the documents. And once you get to the document you want to open, you just let your fingers off the keypad and it pops open that, that window that you wanted to get to. So again, Alt-Tab, and it takes you to whatever documents you want to open. So that's kind of a cool thing to remember, and it's very helpful.